What's up, y'all? Look, I'm not in the kitchen. I'm outside with our garden. And I thought today would be a nice day to give you all a garden tour for May. I planted my tomatoes and all the plants like probably 3 weeks ago now. 3 or 4 weeks ago now. I'm not sure. We've had some real rabbit issues. So that's kind of put me in a bad mood, but we're dealing with it. I'll show you all. I will take you all on a garden tour, show you the things that we're growing this year. And yeah, I'll make it relatively quick because I know not everyone wants to sit and listen to me blab about plants. So, let's go. Okay, so I had to wait till the evening to do this because it was like 90 something degrees today and it was hot. So we're doing it now. It's like 7:30 at night. As you can see, our lovely arbors, they're not actually fully done. We still have to put like the wire that goes up the sides, but we'll do that maybe next weekend. Let's go start with my garlic bed. Also, let me just preface, let me see if I can turn this around. Hold on. This is like a super realistic, my hair is doing things. This is like a super realistic garden, I would say. I have a lot of weeds in some of my beds. Calvin is, I don't know what he's doing over there. I have a lot of weeds. I do not have a perfect garden at all. I feel like I'm an expert at growing weeds. So, with that being said, I'm going to show you guys my full bed of weeds because it's realistic around here. So, we'll start with my weed bed. This is all of my garlic, of which I planted in October. I do have scapes on my hardneck garlic, which I need to cut off. And I will probably make a video maybe next week about garlic scape pesto. That's like our favorite thing that we make every year with the scapes. So this is all of the garlic that I have, and here's all my weeds. This right here is all baby bok choy. It's actually doing super well. I'm impressed. Over there, Napa cabbage. Some are doing well, some are not, but that's all right. And then we have more weeds. We have right there, we have parsley that grew back from last year. That one that looks like a weed, but it's not, is rosemary. Don't know if it will live. Don't know if it will die. Nobody knows. This one is Greek oregano. I think it's going to die, but Jonathan thinks it's going to live, so we'll see. And that is cilantro, of which already has like flowers on it, so that's nice. So, this is kind of my bed of randomness. It's usually full of garlic and onions, but this year it's full of like weeds, but other stuff. So, I think we're going to move over to the grapes and then we'll get on with the rest of this. So let's just walk over here. See, we had to, side note, protect against rabbits. I will show you all of the rabbit damage in a little bit. It's kind of depressing. Here's Calvin. Alright, so this is my Concord grape vine. I planted this vine 3 years ago. This is the first year that it's actually producing grapes. Super excited about it. Like this is I'm so excited. They're doing pretty well, it seems like. The lighting is pretty bad. There we go. Yeah, they're doing pretty well. We did get some deer damage, which is why we had to put this fence in. The deer did eat like a lot of my vine, but that's all right. We have a lot more over here. And I did plant this vine this year, like 3 weeks ago. It's already got some leaves and a little bit of vinage. So in 3 years, you know, we'll have more grapes. Now we'll go back over here and quickly go through the peppers. All right, this row right here is all jalapenos. Well, I say all of those are jalapenos. This one right here is an ancho grande. They're all super tiny right now, but they'll definitely get bigger throughout the summer. That's what happens every year. That one is super tiny with Calvin's dog toy. Is a chocolate Trinidad scorpion pepper plant. It's super spicy apparently. There's 2 random ones, and then all of those are some sort of bell pepper. If Calvin like gets in my garden bed, he's gonna be in trouble. He knows not to, for the most part. Over here we have the straight 8 cucumbers. This one right here just really keeps struggling, but I'm just leaving it in the ground. It'll be fine. I do have some more struggling cucumbers here, right there. It is what it is. I put some basil right here for funsies. I think these might be the Dar cucumbers. I can't remember. Let's see what it actually is. It is the Dar cucumber, if they grow. I don't know. We've had rabbit damage, like I said. And here's the Wisconsin pickling cucumbers. And then over here we've got the Amish paste. 3 of them are Amish paste. This one was, but a rabbit completely took it out. So my dad gave me this Cherokee purple tomato plant, and I put it there. That over there is a banana pepper plant because I didn't grow any this year. I didn't start any seeds, rather, and Jonathan was not happy with that, so we bought that plant. And then over here, this is where the rabbit damage begins. Almost every single plant has rabbit damage, but this is just regular beefsteak. These 2 right here are the Sart Rollois. I don't know how to say it, but that's what they are. Again, rabbit damage to almost all of these. This one right here is the giant crimson. I don't have a picture of it because it came from M.I. Gardner, and he was only selling them in like super small packs of like 5 seeds at the time. So that's giant crimson, and that's giant crimson. Again, we had some rabbit damage. This one was also giant crimson, and then the rabbits fully ate it, and I replaced it with genuine beefsteak, because that's what I found at the store. And then we had some more rabbit damage to that, but you know, it is what it is. And then we move on to this bed. I'm really hoping that this one will live. It is the Ozark pink tomato. I've never grown it before, and I'm really hoping it lives, but obviously rabbit damage to all of them. This one here is this true beefsteak. Again, rabbit damage. It's like every tomato. All right, this one's the Bonnie Best. Again, rabbit damage. This one I think is also Bonnie Best. Again, I'm not going to repeat myself, but as you all can see, that's what's happened. This one is the brown sugar. I have never grown this one before, so I'm really hoping it lives. This one, again, had rabbit damage, but it's growing back. It's doing well. It's gonna live. This is my favorite all-time like cherry tomato. It's the blue creamberries one. It is so good. It's so pretty. It's so sweet. I love this tomato plant. I had 2 of them. One was right there, but the rabbits completely ate that one. So now I only have this one, and I'm really hoping it lives because it's my favorite. Again, like I said, this one was the blue creamberries. Now it is, I think it's some kind of paste tomato. I don't know. I got it from the store, sadly, and the rabbits did do some damage on that. This one, I don't know how to say it. Again, rabbit damage. Is this tomato. I've never grown that one before, so we're hoping that this one lives. This one, I don't remember what it was, but the rabbits ate it. And now it is Better Boy. So, yeah. And this one, I think, was Missouri Pink Love Apple. I think you all can guess by now. The rabbits, they ate it. So now it is a Cherokee Purple tomato. And I think we have fixed the rabbit problem. As you all can see, we did put chicken wire at the bottom, and we even like cupped it so the rabbits cannot get in. We have not had any damage since we did this. Yeah, it's just sad. I've never had this much rabbit problem. I feel like we've tried everything. We've tried like garlic, we've tried the spray, we've tried hair. Obviously Calvin's not just gonna sleep in the garden at night. So yeah, our solution was the chicken wire. And let's see, I think I have other things to show everyone if anybody is still watching at this point in time. There's Calvin, who really just doesn't want to be out here because it's still hot and he hates being hot, and that is his pool that he was in earlier today. Over here we have more weeds. It's mostly weeds because Jonathan dumped a bunch of just like dirt over here, but I did plant some raspberry canes and they are already doing stuff, so that's fun. We just have to handle the weeds. So we have that raspberry cane, this raspberry cane, and then this one over here. And let's see, what else do I have? I have a wild Calvin still. Over here I have my rose bush, which needs pruned, but you know, here we are. I honestly don't remember like what kind it is. I got it from Antique Rose. They sell a bunch of antique roses, and I think this one was from like 1835. I think I want to say it was like the Saint Genevieve. I don't remember, but apparently it's an antique rose from like 1835, and I planted it probably 4 years ago now. So the last thing I'll show you guys is my herbs, which we keep in the front of the house. And yeah, then we'll end the video. If anybody's still watching, you guys want to see the bunnies that are in the neighbor's yard, but they're just lurking to come to my yard so they can eat all of my plants. You guys see them? Oh, my finger. Right there, right there. Little jerks. Anyway, let's go to the front of our house and I'll show you the herbs. Also, next year we are hoping to take out these like ornamental grasses. They were here when we moved in, but we're hoping to take them out and plant fruit trees here. So That would be nice, but that's the school that we live next to, and they planted all those trees there. So welcome to the front of our house. And these are all of my herbs that I started from seed. Those are all different kinds of basils, more basil, rosemary, sage, oregano, and thyme, I believe. So I keep these in the front of our house because I've killed every herb known to man by putting it all in direct sun in the backyard. So they seem to like it up here. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video. We'll go back to the garden and we'll end the video. That's what our garden looks like from, you know, the street. Here, we'll end it right here with my lovely grapes. Alright, now that I somewhat fixed the hair, we're gonna end here with my lovely grape plants, my grapevines. The next video I think I'm gonna make is a sourdough video, which I haven't done in a while. Seems like I was doing sourdough like all the time, and then I, you know, did other stuff and got distracted with the garden. Yeah, so I think the next video is going to be a sourdough related, and then the video after that, next weekend is Memorial Day, so we might just like film our weekend. I'm not sure. We might grill. We did order a pizza oven, so if that comes in time, maybe we'll do a video on that. I don't know. But anyway, I am sure this video is long enough. There's bugs. I love bugs. Yeah, I'm sure this video is long enough. Nobody wants to hear me talk any longer. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Alright, P.S. Actually, I did forget to show everyone this one single tomato plant called the spoon tomato. The plant looks like absolute hot trash, and I'm gonna try to let it, we're gonna hope it lives. It lived last year here and it looked the same, so we're just gonna hope that it lives, because these are really cool tomatoes. They're super tiny and I really like them, so pray for this plant. Alright, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.